It's Thursday morning and we are doing a family boat day. You'll notice, actually this is our first family boat day of the year. You'll notice the family is not with me. Laura and I drive separate usually because we want an escape route if one of the kids or one of the adults expires. So she's driving separate. I stopped to pick up like tubes and stuff for the kids to play in, and Kirby's family is meeting us out there with their boat, which is obviously right next to ours all the time anyway, so that'll be fun. And this is our first one of the year. Laura's gone on boat rides, but we haven't all gone out like for a day. Usually we do it like Sunday mornings, but today is Thursday. It's supposed to be super nice, but again, it's gonna be cold this weekend, so. I realize the hat that I'm wearing is really dorky looking. I got it in Mexico and it's a Corona hat. It was the only white hat I could find. I don't really like colored hats, but it is the only hat that I had on my boat, so it's the one I'm gonna wear today. And I think I look pretty good actually. Total dad hat situation.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Watch out for your discipline! Oh, Pedro!
Yeah, yeah. I love Torch Lake. And,
Yes!
that's Thursday on Torch Lake.